Hello everyone and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download and install datapacks in Minecraft 1.16.1. I know it says 1.15 here, but I can't put this video for 1.16.1 here until it's uploaded, and I can't put it there if I'm recording it right now. So nevertheless, that video will change. It will say 1.16.1 here if you go to this page. But today I'm going to be showing you every single step of getting datapacks downloaded and installed in 1.16.1. We're going to be showing you how to find datapacks. We got some great ones listed here. And then we're going to be showing you how to add them to your Minecraft single player world. First on your existing world, because I'm guessing that's what most people are going to do here. And then I'm going to show you how to do it on a new world that you are creating. It is a little bit different and a pretty cool sort of system there. Nevertheless, first we have a much more sponsor, which is Apex Minecraft Hosting. You can go to the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Apex, to get an incredible Minecraft server running any datapacks that you want. Yes, you can run datapacks on a server, and you can run them on Apex Minecraft Hosting servers. So again, if you want a great server for you and your friends to enjoy, check out Apex Minecraft Hosting. We love them so much that we put our money where our mouth is and actually host our own server, play.breakdowncraft.com, on Apex Minecraft Hosting. So again, you can check out Apex, the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Apex. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump right on into getting datapacks. The first thing you need to do is obviously find some datapacks, right? You got to find some datapacks. And in the description down below, you will find this link here. This is our complete list of Minecraft 1.16 datapacks. It's the second link down below, by the way. And once you're here, just scroll down. I mean, you can see you've got vanilla tweaks, you've got expanded advancement recipe pack, you've got the voodoo packs. There are so many different data packs here. Two specific things I want to point out is vanilla tweaks is actually a lot of different data packs. So if you click on the green download button, it will open up vanilla tweaks here. And then also, on top of that, so is Voodoo Packs. Voodoo Packs is over 65 different data packs. So if you click on download, you'll see all of these here. I want to mention those two specifically in this video because they are unique. It's not just one data pack there, it's a bunch of them, and they are worth looking at. In addition to that, we're going to download the Vein Miner data pack here, which you can come down and click the green download button. So to download Vein Miner, when you click on that, it's actually going to take you here, and then it's going to click on this download from GitHub button, where it's going to take you off to a third-party website. And then once you're here, you'll be able to click on this veinminer.zip right here, and then the download will begin in the bottom left. You shouldn't need to really keep this file. Now we're not done. I'm going to download some voodoo packs as well. I don't know which ones I want to download here though. We can just download Anti-Ender Grief, which is kind of hard to test, to be truthful. It is going to take us off to AdFly here. This is how this creator makes a little bit of money back for all the work they put into their data packs. We're going to wait here 5 seconds. Don't click anything on this page. It's lying to you. Your download is not ready. Just wait a few seconds and then click Skip Ad in the top right. And then the download will begin in the bottom left. Again, don't click anything on that page other than that skip ad button in the top right. I'm actually going to do that one more time because I want to download the gravestones mod from here. Now, all of these are 1.16 compatible, so we click on shrink ad or download there. It takes us off to AdFly, where again, don't click anything on this page. Not a single thing. Your download is not ready. It's lying to you. All you want to click is in the top right up here, that skip ad button. When you click on that, it will download gravestones. In this case, in the bottom right. That process will be repeated for any and all data packs on this page. Then vanilla tweaks. I also want to download a few here. We'll go ahead and download Anti-Ender Grief there. We'll also download, I don't know, what, larger phantoms. That's kind of cool. More mob heads. And then there's also other ones down here. I don't know, the redstone rotation wrench, the durability ping. I don't know, we can install quite a few of these if we wanted to, for example. There's also a gravestone here. And we'll just do a real-time clock. Sure. And then you can click download over on the right hand side, and it will download all of those in a zip file. Now here's where it gets confusing and why I wanted to do it this way. Now if we minimize our browser here, we have vanilla tweaks, and that needs, as you can see, it says unzip me, right? These other ones, gravestone, Anti-Ender Grief, all of this stuff, don't say that, right? If you open up Vein Miner, for example, it'll have pack.mcmeta. If it does, you don't need to touch it. You don't need to unzip it or do anything. On vanilla tweaks, for example, if you double click on it, you don't see pack.mcmeta. What you see is a bunch of different data packs. If you drag these to your desktop here, right, like so, we will be able to open up any of these, right, like real-time clock here, and we will see there is pack.mcmeta. I accidentally added these in here, right? But basically, any data pack you download, before you try to install it or anything, just make sure when you double click on it and it opens like this, you don't have to extract it or anything. Just double click on it and make sure it says pack.mcmeta. If it does, you are good to go. We can delete the vanilla tweaks unzip me file that we downloaded. So now we can get these installed. To do that, you need to open up Minecraft, right? So here we are, Minecraft is open, we are all happy. Now, data packs work on a per world basis, meaning if you install data packs in our data packs world here, they're not gonna work in the 1.16 test world unless we install them, right? So that's something that you need to understand kind of going into this, that data packs only work on a per world basis. It's also recommended that you have cheats enabled in worlds that you're gonna use data packs on. While not required, it can make things a lot easier. You will have to run a command with some data packs to get them to work. So nevertheless, let's go ahead and select the data packs world here. Don't play it, just click on it, right? Don't double click it or anything, just click on it one time, and then click on this edit button down here towards the bottom left of Minecraft. Then it'll open up this where you want to click on Open World Folder. When you click on that, it's going to open up, well, your world folder for the world you're selecting. Now, you want to go into this data packs folder here. So double click on that. Now take all the data packs from your desktop and drag them in to this data packs folder. It's that simple. Now go ahead, come back over here and click save. And now you can play on your world. You can double click on it and join right on in, and all the data packs are going to be loaded. Now, the only way for me to really prove that to you is to actually test one of them. Now I'm going to test the gravestone mod. We're going to test a few more when we create a new world, but for right now we'll just test the gravestone data pack here. I said mod, but I meant data pack. It's going to basically make a gravestone when we die. So we can also come in here and do /reload in game. That is required for some data packs to work. None of the ones we've installed here, but for some you do have to do /reload, which is why I was telling you it's in, like, we recommend having cheats enabled. If you don't have cheats enabled, sometimes you can come, hit escape, and go to the pause menu, click open to land, turn on allow cheats here, and then start the land world, and then reload, and your data packs will start working. But again, that's not a requirement. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and do game mode creative, and then we're going to fly up into the air right like so. I think we're right around where we're going to respawn here, and then we can do game mode survival, and then we'll fall to our deaths very tragically, but there is a gravestone right there, and we'll be able to see that right over here. It is, and yeah, we created a gravestone, which is awesome. So that is working. There's kind of a lighting effect there. That was weird. It kind of disappeared. I don't know. It seems to be some bugs with that gravestone data pack. Maybe try a different one there. Or did I run over it and it give me my stuff? That could be what it is. I guess let's try this real quick just to make sure. I want to see if this is that buggy or not. By the way, this is the Voodoo Beard, the Voodoo Packs data pack for gravestones. You could also try the Vanilla Tweaks one if you wanted a gravestones data pack here. But nevertheless, we're going to do that. Boom. Gravestone is created. And it's there, but again, I ran over it and it disappeared. So I don't know if that's, I don't think that's how that's supposed to happen there. But nevertheless, there we go. This time it seems like it's staying, and we're good. Maybe it's because I didn't have anything in my inventory. But nevertheless, there you have it. That is how you can get a gravestone kind of set up and added there. There's all sorts of other data packs we've installed. For example, more mob heads, anti-endergrief, vein miner. We can test vein miner on this really fast. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go into creative, kind of get set up to test vein miner, and then I'll see you after a quick jump cut. All right, so here we are. To use vein miner, we just crouch and click, and boom, there we go. All of those are grabbed at the same time with vein miner. Simple stuff. Really cool mod though. I think it makes things a lot more efficient. We can do it with these two kind of veins of coal as well. Boom, and this will work on other ores. I'm just using coal because, well, it's what's right here in this biome. But yeah, there you have that. That is a vein miner, another data pack that we have installed working. We'll test a few different ones on the next step of this. So that's how you can install data packs on an existing world. However, if you're creating a new world, it's a bit different. So if we go ahead and save and quit, and then we can create a new world with our data packs, and it's a cool system that is kind of new. It was just added with, I think, 1.15, and it's something I've never kind of done a tutorial on. But we're going to go ahead and do a tutorial on it here. So here we are in the main menu. We can click on single player. I'm going to create a world data packs tutorial is what we'll call this. I always like to go ahead and, like I said, allow cheats on these worlds. Now, this is where I was talking about, data packs right here. If you click on data packs, it opens up this nice menu where you can click on the open data pack folder, right? Then when you click on that, it's going to open up this data pack folder. Pretty cool stuff. Then you can take any of the, data packs you want to install and drag and drop them to this data packs folder, and there you go. Now when you click create world, click done, and then click create world, it will work. You can actually go back to data packs here, by the way, and they are all like there, and you will need to move these over and install them like that, and move the ones that you want over and all that stuff. You can do that. This is great if you want to add in a data pack that's adding some generation to the world or something. There are a few of those, and those can be added in like this and have it from the start instead of having to only have it in new chunks and stuff like that. But nevertheless, we'll go ahead and click done there, and then we can create this world, and this world will be created with all those data packs that we just ticked over. If we hadn't ticked over a data pack, by the way, right there, it would not have worked. So that's something that you need to think about. That's only going to be there if you add that in and then move it over into that available section. Now, I was about to say, is this the same world? I don't think it's the same world. That's very interesting. But nevertheless, once we're here, we can go ahead. No, it's not the same world because we don't have the same biomes around us. But nevertheless, once we're here, we can go ahead and test these. Again, another easy one to test is the gravestones. I'm going to test a few different ones. We're going to try to test the larger phantoms as well as a few others. But let's just test gravestones just to make sure that we do have these data packs installed. So we do that. Boom. And you shouldn't have to do /reload. Yep, there's the gravestone. You shouldn't have to do /reload on your first join with a data pack. You shouldn't have to do that, right? That's the benefit as well. while of installing them like that. If they do require /reload, you shouldn't have to do that. But yeah, there's the gravestone. And nevertheless, we can test a few more. So I want to test the larger phantoms, and I believe if we come in here and type in phantom, we will be able to spawn these from a traditional phantom egg. I might be wrong, and I probably am, but it's something I wanted to test. And yeah, it doesn't seem like those are spawning in traditionally, unfortunately. That doesn't mean the datapack's not working. That just means that, well, you have to wait and do it naturally. There's also the durability pink. That was a little hard to test. A few of these are actually relatively hard to test that I've installed. I do apologize for that. That is my bad. I should have thought a little bit ahead there. I'm going to go ahead and get a sword, see if we can maybe get the more mob heads going here. And yeah, that's pretty much that, though. I'm going to go ahead and kill some mobs, see if I can get some heads, and we'll go from there. So I actually learned how to go and learn there. I don't know everything about all of these data packs we're installing. I'm the first to admit that, and you can actually do your own research on these. For example, all of the vanilla tweaks have their own videos that you can click on easily from the website and get more information, which is what I did with this one. And we can see that if I kill the parrot here, we do get a head for the parrot that we can actually wear, which is kind of cool. So yeah, there you go. That is how you can do that. There's a few different mobs that these give. For example, I think llamas and things like that drop these, as well as all the zombie villagers and a few different other mobs that will drop these mob heads in game. But yeah, there you all have it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content every single day of the week on Minecraft. We show you how to do all kinds of awesome stuff here with servers, with data packs, with mods, all of that. It is all covered on the channel. So again, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come play with us on the best Minecraft server in the multiverse, play.breakdowncraft.com. Enjoy your new data packs. Thank you all so much for watching yet again. My name is Nick, and I'm out. Peace.